No, hindi ka sumipot. We gave you due notice. Pero instead of doing that, Meralco kept on hoping, praying, waiting. You know, God's too busy to answer prayers like those. Kasi nakikita ng Diyos, these are things that you can do. The answers are there in your hands. Diba?
Mhm.
God helps miracles. That's why they call miracles, because those are things that are beyond humans to accomplish. Pero ito,
Okay.
you cannot pray for this. Kasi alam, nandun ang answer eh. Hindi sumagot si Brownlee. No, that means hindi niya gusto sa atin. Okay, let's bring in. Kasi ba't nila nadala si Israel Romero? They should have done that long before they waited for Brownlee. Diba?
Yeah,
So
sayang.
yun
Hype na
lang
hype pa
masabi
naman
ko.
itong tandem na to, no? Ang daming nagabang kasi rivalry, rivals, biglang magiging kakampi. So, RSJ, JBL. Anyway, I
And not
guess,
only that,
we'll,
for Meralco, it's also a good story na for the longest time, Meralco could never get past Hinebra, di ba? Kasi nandoon si Brownlee,
mhm.
di ba? So, and then, all of a sudden, na-champion sila. And this would have been a great story na, former, is your nemesis. Your big-time nemesis, that big monster na hindi mo talaga makonquer. And then, kalaban mo, kakampi mo na, wearing your uniform.